Yeah, we're working on a 2005 International Eagle. Got some hood mount issues. These fiberglass hoods all tear out in there, and we was missing everything. I didn't have no springs or nothing. You can't hardly throw them hoods. What we ended up doing, there's our finished product there, where the springs hooked up. Yeah, fiberglass just all rips out in here, and they had some kind of rinky dink. I don't know if you can see it in the picture. A little metal hanger comes off that thing. But I just built these brackets here out of 1/8 inch steel plate, then use 1/4 inch hardware to get into my good fiberglass. I still had some edges around here, and the problem is you got to cut a hole so you can get in here to put your hardware on. And I've got nuts welded on the back side. Spot welded. Then we take a plate, just use a cable clamp, bolt your plate on, and you're done. Wasn't sure what else to do versus taking the hood off and going to a body shop and waiting 3 months on it to get repaired. But that's what we did. Well, time will tell if it works. We'll see you folks.